Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful blue bracelet. It's quick and easy and I'm excited to show you.
Paving this shit crank.
So we're going to start by making each of these individually. First, cut 6 inches of wire and use the center of the wire to bend it evenly with your round nose pliers. Then use the inside of your round nose pliers or your flat nose pliers to squeeze the double wires together. Please make sure your wires is always straight. Then use the tip of your round nose pliers to create a hook. Make sure that the wire remains parallel and does not overlap. Next, use your flat nose pliers to curl the double wires into a tight spiral until you have about 1 inch of wire left. After that, separate the wires and use your round nose pliers to curl the ends. Please take your time when you are making the spirals. It's not hard to make, but it can easily be messed up. You have to make 3 of these, so I suggest you make them all at the same time. I like to hammer each of the spirals before and after I connect everything. I just like them to be extra sturdy. Now, if you don't have these tools, that's fine. You can still make the bracelet perfectly. It's not like your bracelet is going to automatically fall apart once you start doing this. Now it's time to make the piece with the gemstones. Take about 1 inch of wire or more and curl one end up with your round nose pliers. Using the hammer for this part is optional, but after you curl one end, add your 5 gemstones and curl the other end. Always make sure that the ends are always closed. In the last video, I showed you guys how to make a tight coil around the round nose pliers. Please check it out if you haven't already. But wrap the wire around the end of your round nose pliers about 6 times. After that, remove the coil and cut the end of the wire. Hold the coil with your round nose pliers and use your wire cutters to cut the jump rings, and always make sure that you are cutting where the end of the other wire is to make the perfect jump ring. Now it's time to connect everything. I have 2 different ways to add on the jump rings, and you can pick and choose whichever one you like best. Adding the jump rings are pretty simple. All you have to do is open the jump ring, add the piece you need to add, and close it right back. I highly suggest that you take your time and use your flat nose pliers. This is what it looks like when you add just 1 jump ring. I prefer to have 2 jump rings, so it's up to you. Which one do you like best, 1 jump ring or 2? At this moment, your bracelet should look like this. 4 connectors with 4 gemstones each, and it's easy to add the connectors together. All you have to do is open up the hook and put it in. In total, you're going to need 5 connectors. Remember that all gemstone chips come in different sizes, so I decided to put them close to each other so you can kind of eyeball the different sizes. to make your double S clamp. The reason I make my clamps this way is because since I sell jewelry, it's so easy for me to take it off and add an extra link just in case the bracelet doesn't fit somebody's wrist. But I highly suggest that if you are not selling and you're just making this for fun, just make a simple S-clamp clip and you'll be over in no time. But if you would like the breakdown of how I did this, you can check out my last YouTube video, and I have it in full detailed in slow motion. Now it's time to put that final link together and hammer out the ends. Remember, if you do not have a hammer, it's okay. The bracelet will still be fine. But I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.